Wow, Rach, this salad looks amazing. Honestly, it looks so fresh just by seeing it.
Exactly, it's high in protein and not heavy at all.
Perfect. Now I finally have a proper excuse to stick to my diet.
Honestly, if someone had said this to me 6 months ago, I don't think I would have believed it myself. Because in 25 years of marriage, food has always been our love language. My husband has always been a true foodie. For him, food was never just about hunger, it was always about comfort and enjoyment. But if there were two things he truly disliked, they were vegetables and salads. All his life, salads mean boring diet food that you ate only because you had to. No excitement, no satisfaction. Then one day, without any pressure, he came to me and said, "Rach, I really want to lose weight, please. Help me." In that moment, I realized this wasn't just his challenge, it was mine too. Because weight loss isn't just about eating less, especially when you're cooking for someone who loves food. So I made a decision. I wouldn't just cut calories, I would focus on real nutrition. For healthy and sustainable weight loss, protein matters, good fats matter, and fiber matters just as much. The real challenge was this: how do you bring all of that to the plate without making food feel boring? Over the past 6 months, I've made so many different, delicious salads for him, not just healthy, but satisfying enough to feel like complete meals. Some were creamy, some were crunchy. Some were made with familiar comfort flavors, others had a slightly fresh, modern twist. Slowly, I started noticing a beautiful change. The person who once avoided salads completely now asked me, "So, which salad are we having today?" In these 6 months, he has lost 20 kilograms of weight, but for me, that wasn't the biggest win. The real win was this: today, he actually loves salads. He truly believes now that healthy food can also be delicious, and honestly, this journey has been more than just cooking for me. It's been a reminder that when you cook with love, you don't just heal the body, you also help transform habits and strengthen relationships.